The last time I brought a prop firm account was back in March. The 3 prop firm account that I'm trading right now, I got it all for free. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how I got it, and I'm also going to show you how you can get yours. What's up? My name is Shay and I'm a trader and I'm sharing trading insights. If you like more of this video, do wait to like, subscribe and comment your thoughts on what you would like to see next. Let's get onto the screen. Yeah, this is the screen. Yeah. First of all, I got most of them by playing games. It's as simple as that. The 3 accounts that I was talking about, I got it all by playing games. Just look at this. This prop firm, this is Marvin prop trading. They host a tournament. This is Call of Duty tournament. They host PUBG tournaments. They host chess tournaments. Some host drafts tournament. Some even host PUBG tournaments. So it's as simple as that. You can just hop on most of these tournaments and then get their account. Look at this. The first place we get a 20k one step challenge. Second, we get 10k. Third, we get 5k. Let me show you how to get to their Discord. You can just let me use Profile Match. So on Profile Match, I can get the list of all the profiles that I want. Now currently, I'm not on this 5%ers Discord channel. Let's go there together. I can go on and search for them. 5%ers. This is it. I just go to their website and look for their Discord link. Yeah, I'm on their website now. I just have to scroll down and look for their Discord link. It's not down there. Let me look up again. It's not here also. Let me go to their contacts pages. If it's not here on here, you can just go to their contacts here. Let's try whether to be there. Now this is the list of their social media accounts. If the prop firm is not on Discord, you can just go to their Twitter. They host tournaments like that on Twitter also, but mostly on Twitter it will just be giveaways mostly. You can follow their giveaways on Twitter. Most of the time they host giveaway. Let's look for it, whether or not they host giveaways. I don't even think they host giveaway. Let's look for another one. Let's look for this E8 market. Yeah, as you can see right here, it's even boldly up on top of the site. Let's just click on it and join their Discord. And most tournaments are mostly weekends. Some prop firm hold like 2 or 3 tournaments a week. Let's accept. Okay, this is the you can verify to join it. Also go to verification page. Okay. So you have to verify to access most of their channels. RMS. I'm verified on the channel. I have to look for their games channel. If on the website, on the Discord, you can't find maybe a games page, just go and look for promotions or giveaways. Look at all the prop firms that I'm on. This is Quantstekel, this is GFC, but most of these prop firms, they offer games that you can play. Like this Marvin is playing a Call of Duty tournament today. Quantstekel is also playing a PUBG tournament today. So during the week, mostly on Wednesdays, they host tournaments also. This is PUBG tournaments on Quantstekel. So if you can play poker, if you can play PUBG, you can play Call of Duty, if you can play chess, you can play and win all these prizes. It's that simple. If you can play it, it's so simple. See, this is poker. If you can play poker, very good at poker. I've won close to 5 on poker tournaments this year. Most of like 3 accounts I won from poker out of like 5 accounts that I've won this year. But that's just it. If you want those accounts, you could easily win it. 3 accounts that I'm trading right now, I got it from playing games, which is totally free. You don't have to pay anything. So yeah, that's all guys. If you like this video, just do it to like, do it to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.